oh, beef. My people, I don't bring una correct beef. This one are from King Shatta and Kojo Sheldon. Yes, it happened live for Ghana. After Grammy Award happen, no more, the kind kasala wey this Grammy thing bring enter Ghana, my people. In fact, it cause commotion everywhere. For now, we know there where Burna Boy, my own very own Burna, now him win the Grammy Awards. And after that thing happen, Ghanaian artists come enter different issues. People don't they bring Ghanaian artists out onto say Burna Boy winner and him be Nigerian. And now for here, Kojo Sheldon they enter inside this matter. They go tweet about Kojo Sheldon. People don't they talk say how the reason why Nigerian win this thing now because Kojo Sheldon not doing work well. Say they support other people. In fact, they just they accuse the guy anyhow. Now this guy don't come outside because as he see the tweet, he say lie, he no fit keep quiet. That one naturally not talkative. So he don't come out now, come they give them different things. And according to that, it say Ghanaian artists they lazy. Say they too they focus on beefing and they know they take their time, you understand, to propagate their songs, to make it go around there. Like they know they spend money in their music. Now the bigger one they come right now. King Shatta, papa. In fact, he don't take matter over personal. Una no say that one. you know if you just talk about, even if you no mention his name, as long as he dey inside that department, he go come give you your own part of the cake. So now King Shatta Wale don't come outside because he dey very provoked. You don't come dey insult, they blast. Kojo Sheldon you don't hear am for Shatta Wale mouth. Only Shatta Wale just dey insult am, kwasia, this one. Shatta Wale even open mouth to say instead of making using money go do expensive video, they travel, say he prefer to do him music video for what they call a Nima. So I beg, I don't bring King Shatta himself to on a screen. For now, we don't know who be King Shatta. I know so many of them know Asha, but I beg, listen to him voice.
Nigeria they celebrate fella. Nigeria they celebrate fella. You get program, they do yawa of the day. We get pandits, they do video program. Then Ghana presenter is still another brush in own Ghana artists saying music do it, but if the music be simple, do one. Because if it's a music do, it be ABCD or 1, 2, 3. It be brain cracking. Sometimes if I think and I see that why when I'm music industry, like sense no day there. Plenty Ghanaians the way they get sense, where they go fit create things, they go fit do things. But sense. You know they want a music industry.
Hey. Shatta Wale. This guy, see, if I dey watch this guy, even if I don't want to laugh, like, you don't understand, Shatta na vibe on your own. If you dey vex, just look for Shatta trouble. In fact, the way he go just dey. My people, now don't hear that from Shatta Wale himself. That one, you know, they careful when it's time to run out, they give you as they come. But if you now ask me now, wetin Kojo talk, it makes more sense. No, make we talk facts. You understand? I agree with wetin he talk to an extent. You understand? Because see, although you overdo, but some part of the matter makes sense. Ghanaian musicians, they no like the push. That one there. In fact, even una self wey be Ghanaians, una dey watch me, una go agree with me. They no sabi push their music the way Nigerians dey push music. No, check am. Many evidence dey. Imagine even wetin they call am run town for Nigeria. That one no be even the best. No, when last una even hear run town? You know they very popular like that. We know am, but when we dey talk about top, now e don go down. But still, this same run town where they talk about, if they spend money on tar, e go just dey go dey promote the music, they go from one place to another. This person where they talk about, no country where this guy they enter, we no even get special DJ. And that special DJ, they tip am, like they give them financial support. Anywhere this man enter any country, for Ghana, this same Ghana where we dey talk about Ghana, he still get your own DJ Mike. Now DJ be that. See, you need to spend money to make money. How many years ago when Shatawale wan release Wonder Boy album, instead of make it do international tour, make it dey go round, make it, you understand, spend money, mbanu. He carry the whole package. He say na national. In fact, this one sef, I no even call am national. Where he take am? Joy FM, Hit FM, Gbowo Atigbo. Na there he just carry am go. Inside Accra, Kumasi, finish. So how you wan classify this kind thing? Ghanaians, una too, and another wahala sef wey I dey agree with Kojo be say una too like beef. Any small thing una don dey beef. And the way they dey focus on the beefing, like say they dey come collect alert. You go hear this one don invite this one, that one that every day, and they no dey hide am. I no talk say Nigerians no dey beef. No be just music industry, even our normal day-to-day life, we dey get issues. But why be say una don carry am too personal, una don, you understand? Now my problem be that. And now why I tell una say I dey support part of wetin Kojo come outside come talk. The only thing be say this Kojo himself go jump into conclusion. He go start here, before you know, and we don't know where he go shift again, enter. Before you know, he go just dey mix things up. They bring Ghana artists inside, they bring them. His head just big, as that head big like that, when they see him, he just big. Sense no even come dey inside his head. See, you no fit just compare Naija and Ghana musicians. Where you see am? No, the difference dey very clear. The gap is very long. Money wey Ghana musician dey make in 2 months, my people, Nigeria musician they go make am in 1 week. Nigeria too big. You know, if you just compare 36 states. You know wetin be 36 states? How many states Ghana get? The population of Lagos, only Lagos. I never even mention this one. I just one out of 36. Only Lagos population, e big pass Accra, Kumasi, Volta region. Join them together. Lagos alone 19 million. Na them dey Lagos. How many people dey Accra? And una dey compare this thing. When you get hit song for Nigeria, you be small god. People go dey look for you. People go dey rush you. This one. You fit even do 20 shows for 1 week. 20 shows. Everybody go wan see you. And that thing alone, in fact, money don already dey enter. Because of the size of the population now, see, you go get more streams on what they call on Spotify. You go even get views on YouTube. You go get, see, money go just dey enter. You understand? So abeg make we get this thing straight. Some of these musicians now only what they call it, they use music to cover their yahoo money. You understand? So now my problem be say people go just stand up, wake up from their sleep, abi their slumber, and start dey put unnecessary pressure on what they call Ghanaian artists. Him wey dey talk, this same Kojo wey they just dey talk. Ngwanu, where you don go? No, where you go? You yourself. You go just dey come outside this one. How much Ghana artists they make? How much they make? Make we start from that one. Abeg, make una take time when una dey talk, because see, you no fit just wake up say okay, you don sing they pay you how much thousands of Ghana cedis. You go just carry am. You say you dey go you dey go the whole of African countries to show yourself with the small coins wey you don make. You no fit compare am to Nigeria, my people. No wonder Shatawale can't even come outside come dey talk say he prefer to buy house. He talk am. Say he prefer to use him money from music, buy house, than make it travel go obodo oyibo or one country like that, go do one expensive video. My people, Ghana is tough. You understand? Ghana dey very, very tough. You don't even know when the next show go come. In fact, I know they insult you now. My fellow Ghanaians, I just you understand, explain something. This one, it can't be like say person they do from hand to mouth. Because imagine you finish all your money, you don't know when they go call you next for show. No be like Nigeria way. In fact, Naija, Every week shows they happen. In fact, every day, wait till even they talk. No weekend where show no they happen. And you know if you compare that one to Ghana. How many times did they do show for year where they say, okay, today we they call Famille, today we they call this one, Shatawale, Stone. How many times? Few times where they try do am. How much they go collect? How many people go come buy tickets? How many? You understand? So make we try calculate this one. You know if we compare all these things. If Naija show day, like for example, all those show where they sell tickets, people alone wey go come from Lagos, then imagine those people, because normally if you be good artist, you get fans. Even if you dey Lagos, your fans dey Abeokuta, they go come Lagos because of that show. It dey happen. So imagine the population alone wey go come buy that ticket. Abi make we talk about producer. If you get producer for this your music thing, at least we go understand something go dey. E dey different from when you dey hustle on your own. You understand? E dey very, very different. See, things dey hard o. This guy go just sit down there, do YouTube. You never know wetin people dey go through. And from the one wey I don hear now, music guy and Gamro, they no even dey support all these music artists. They no even dey support them. In fact, everybody just dey on you. They know they get enough support. So how una they expect me no, how una even feel open una mouth they compare Naija and Ghana? Abeg, me will try get sense. Biko Kojo Sheldon, try get sense. Next time if you dey come outside they talk, think where. Because even you yourself, I don't even know where you don't go. Dada. But people are better the matter be this, so I say make I come clarify am, because many rumors everywhere. People just dey talk. You understand? So I don't bring and come aside. So anything where you guys talk concerning this matter, drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video, because Kojo Sheldon must hear me, Shatta must hear me. In fact, the whole world must hear me. Very, very important. And don't forget to subscribe. If not, how you won't get matters like this? Stay tuned for our next story.